Ninh explains, overcoming bad body image. Appearance in today's society is important. It can dictate whether we get the right job or not, get the right partner or not, or just how people see us in everyday life. Do you obsess over your appearance and have a problem with bad body image? Do you think you're too fat, too thin, not attractive enough? And is this causing you problems such as stress and anxiety? Well, you're not alone. Most people come across this at some point in their lives. You've heard of the extreme cases of people suffering from anorexia, bulimia, and all those horrible conditions, and it's mainly down to the way they think about themselves. The problem can be solved relatively simply by using one sentence. Your thoughts are not real. People assume that they are what they look like, that their body defines who they are. I'm here to tell you that you have a body, but you are not your body. It's important to take care of it for sure, but you are not your body. You are a wonderful human being with a great personality. That's infinitely more important than appearance and looks. Understand that what you see outside of you is also fake. Every image that you see is photoshopped to perfection. Instagram is full of people who spend hours preparing for those photos. None of what you see is actually real either. So your perceptions of what you should look like are based on something that's a complete lie. It's time to be happy in yourself. It's time to gain some self-confidence. Be grateful and thankful for the person that you really are, not how your appearance should be. You have much more admirable qualities. And if you do want a healthy, functional body like a Ryan Reynolds or a Ronda Rousey, there's nothing wrong with that. But do it for the right reasons. Do it for health reasons. Do it to make yourself feel good. The beach body is just a bonus. Don't get depressed or hung up if you never get there. All you can do is your best. That's all anyone can do. The moral of this story is to be happy with what you've got, rather than unhappy with what you've not got. And there's nothing wrong with improvement, but do it for health reasons and to make yourself feel good, and not to make yourself feel bad. If you found this video at all helpful, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook from my website, follow me on social media, and if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below.